In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to connect a GoDaddy domain to Blogger, enabling you to have a custom URL for your Blogger blog. First things first, you will need to log into your Blogger dashboard where you manage your blogs and posts. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the Settings menu located on the left sidebar. Find the Publishing section inside the Settings page, and herein, the option which reads, Plus, set up a third-party URL for your blog, and give it a click. Next, you will have to enter the domain name you have purchased from GoDaddy. It should look something like this, u.yourdomain.com. After entering the domain name, go ahead and click on the Save button. Don't be alarmed if an error message appears. This is completely normal. Alongside the error message, Blogger will also present you with two CNAME records. These are important. You'll want to copy these values somewhere safe because you are going to need them for the next part. Now, for the second phase of this process, we are going to add the copied CNAME records in GoDaddy. For this step, log into your GoDaddy account, navigate your way to your domain section, and click on the relevant domain. Here, you will have to go to the Domain Name Service or DNS Management page for that domain you wish to connect with Blogger. You literally have to uproot anything that does not align with your current operation. This means that if you find any existing A records that match the IP addresses provided by Blogger, delete them. This is also recommended in Google's Help section. Following this, add a new CNAME record. In the Name field, type www, and in the Destination or Points to field, type or paste in the first CNAME value you copied from Blogger. Subsequently, add a second CNAME record with the second set of name and destination values you had saved earlier from Blogger. You're almost done now. Just save the changes you've made in GoDaddy. Finally, return to the Blogger settings page where you were working and click Save for a second time. At this point, the error message you saw earlier should vanish as soon as the changes are saved. To wrap it up, enable the Redirect Domain option and wait for it to become active. This might take a while, so a little patience will go a long way. And there you have it. You've just connected your GoDaddy domain to Blogger. Well done!